Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today is an exciting video because we are going to be talking about the new Huda Beauty, the Neon Pink Obsessions palette. You all know that I'm obsessed with pink and neon colors. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, I'm all over that. This is a palette definitely for me. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and show you swatches, show you how I created this look, and give you my final thoughts at the end of this video. But I will have to say the packaging is gorgeous. Even inside, this palette is beautiful as well. So with all that being said, let's get into the details. Huda Beauty Neon Pink Obsessions palette. A range of neon pressed pigment palettes inspired by Huda's obsession for neon colors. This product is free of parabens, and each Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette is packed with a selection of 9 highly pigmented mattes, creamy metallics, and sparkling shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. The Neon Pink contains a total of 5 matte eyeshadows in bold pink and purples at 0.05 ounces, which is 1.3 grams, and a total of 3 metallic eyeshadows in purple, fuchsia, and periwinkle, and that is a total of 0.05 ounces, which is 1.3 grams, and 1 shimmering eyeshadow in baby pink, weighing in at 0.05 ounces, which is 1.3 grams. So to set my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty, the new Nudes palette, and I am taking the shade Bare, and I'm applying it with my MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to set my concealer. This is a great shade for setting your concealer. Now, the first shade that I'm going to go in with from the Neon Pink Obsession palette, which I'm so super excited about, it's this beautiful, like, a really neon kind of peachy tone, and I'm taking my Morphe M330 brush. Now, look how pigmented that is on the brush. A lot of product, so I just tapped it off. And what I'm going to be doing is just applying it to the outer corner in the crease area, and I'm not going to go all the way in with the shade. I just want to concentrate it on the outer part of my crease.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?
Now for the center part of my crease, I'm going to go back in with the same Morphe brush, and this shade is a bit of a deeper kind of peachy neon shade, and I'm just going to concentrate that right into the center, right into the middle, and that's where I'm going to keep the shade 2, but then I'm going to blend the two softly together, not really overlapping it a whole lot, because I really want it to stay concentrated in that area.
Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful like neon lavender shade, once again with the same Morphe brush, and I'm just applying a small amount of that product at first. And now this shade right here, I'm going to concentrate it here on the inner part, and then I'm just going to slightly overlap that shade into the middle shade, and each time I'm just going to go in and take small amounts and build that shadow up.
I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They weigh me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
Now I'm going to go back in with that deeper peachy neon shade. I'm just going to call it peachy because it's like a neon pinky peachy shade, and I'm just going to slightly overlap it with that lavender neon shade.
Pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets
So now with my Morphe M433 brush, I'm going in with this beautiful bright neon pink shade, and once again it is matte shade. All the shades I've used so far are all mattes, and I'm just concentrating that on the outer part of my eye, and I'm just going in with a tapping motion at first. Now with that same brush, I am going to go in with this darker pink shade, which is once again a matte shade, and I'm just applying this to the inner part of my eye. The next shade I'm going to go in with is this beautiful metallic purple shade, and it's so super gorgeous. I'm going to be applying it to the center of my eye, and I'm using this little applicator. It is by Sephora Collection. It came with a set of 2, and it has like a silicone tip, which makes it really easy to apply metallic shades. And I am going to go in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. So I spray this first, and I'm going to pop that right into the center of my eye. And as you could tell, how beautiful it's just applying that shade. And I'm just taking small amounts and just really going into the center in a patting motion. Now for my lower lash line, I am going in with the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray number 9 brush. So it's really precise, and I'm taking that beautiful hot pink shade, which is a matte shade, and I'm just going to apply this into the inner part of my eye, underneath my lash line, and I'm just working it to the center. Now I'm going to take that real deep pink purple matte shade, and I'm going to concentrate that to the outer part, and then work it right into the center and blend the two together. What I'm also going to do too is I'm just going to slightly take it up and make it into a wing. Now with my clean MAC 224 brush, I'm just going to blend it all out. Now I'm just going to take that peachy neon orange shade, and I'm just going to apply it right into the inner corner of my eye, and then just blend it all together.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So I went ahead off camera and I applied some Kiss Lashes in Lacey, and then for my top waterline I went in with Milk Makeup's Boss Liner, and then for my lower waterline I went in with Colourpop's Piggy Bank Liner, which is one of my favorites of all times. But anyhow, this palette right here, I'm totally obsessing over. I love the look that I created with this palette. It's so much fun. Like, I did have to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty, the New Nudes palette, and use the latest shade from that palette just to set my concealer. But other than that, these shadows in here are beautiful. They are pigmented. They blend gorgeous. They build up beautiful. There was a little tiny bit of fallout, but I'm okay with that because you just take your brush and dust it off your face and you are good to go. This is such a fun palette. I'm kind of thinking now that I should get the neon green and the neon orange because I'm so impressed with this palette. Like I said, I love this look that I created with this palette. It is so beautiful. And for the metallics, I will have to say that I like them with that little silicone applicator, and then I took my Milani Make It Last setting spray, sprayed the applicator first, then I went in and applied it to the applicator because you can apply these with your fingers as well, but I feel like you're really not going to get the intensity that you really want. So definitely go into your local Sephora, look for the applicators. They're really inexpensive. You could get 2 in a pack. I absolutely love them. Love this palette. I think it's so beautiful. Like, this look is absolutely gorgeous, and I just wish now that Huda Beauty would take all the mini palettes, all these neon mini palettes, and create one big palette. that would be amazing. Let me know in the comments down below, are you going to go ahead and pick up the Neon Pink Obsessions palette, or the green one, or the orange one? Let me know in those comments down below. And also, if you pick up this palette and you go ahead and create this look, definitely tag me over on Instagram at Nicole Chantell 32. I would love to see the looks that you guys create. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.